what's up, everybody? It's Augie, and this is Little Guy, the Stunt Guy. It's Valentine's Day, so we're gonna go and share the love with our sister stations. Let's go see Casey and Taka first.
Okay, let's go see Casey and Taka.
All right, go ahead. Give him the Valentine's love.
One more.
Give him the Valentine's love. All right. Here we go. Go right in. Go right in. Hey, happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Oh my God.
Yeah, go ahead. Happy Valentine's Day. Is this your intern right here? Give her some love, baby. Give her some love.
Britta. This is Britta, our new intern.
Yeah, go ahead. Give her some love, bro. Give her some love, bro. Give her some love.
Hey, Rob. We're off to the next event.
Next, bro. Next.
She's over there. You seen her? She never know what to do.
Let's go visit the friends at Crater. Let's go visit them. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Knock them. Yeah, go ahead. That's good. They're good. They're ready. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. There you go. That's Dave Lancaster, Sister Sherry. Yeah. And we just spreading the love.
Spreading the love.
Spreading the love.
Happy Valentine's
Cupid.
Day.
There you go.
Sister Sherry.
Yeah.
Oh, brother, what size depends on those?
God, you were so funny.
All right, next.
You guys get time for him?
Oh my God! Look,
Cupid loves
yeah,
cupcakes.
Wait. Get the.
Hey, you guys gotta
Sherry
try.
does
We have
like
Korean
the best
candy from Korea.
desserts ever.
Okay, it's kimchi candy from Korea.
Oh yeah.
Kimchi candy from Korea. Okay, you gotta try it. Okay, you gotta try it. You gotta taste the crate now.
Yeah, no.
Open it up, taste it
You
right
do it, bro.
now.
I'm gonna say because I already get I get a nice chocolate palette in my. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God!
What
You
is
should
it?
enter the
Red
kind that
Yeah.
Was that a Cupcake Wars?
Oh,
I'll be a little intern on
Yeah, I
that.
like the white cake.
and chocolate and wait. Let me go.
Velvet. Oh. We're gonna come back. Let's go give some more stuff.
Okay, yeah. Please come back if you guys get
Yes,
time.
no, we're gonna come back.
Okay.
Go ahead, bro. Next. Billy.
Keep up.
Billy.
Keep up.
Billy.
Keep up.
Billy.
Oh, you can't keep up with me because I fly fast.
I know. Yeah. Okay, bro.
Now we're going to check out Billy V in the KINE studio.
Yeah. Happy Valentine's
Happy
Day, bro.
Valentine's Day.
Ah,
This is Billy.
sexy.
On a
Shay.
Monday, we're just doing it.
Just a little guy going, bro. Huh? On the corner of Bishop Street to handle Ken.
Ah,
Huh?
ah.
All right.
All right.
So we're
Candy might not taste as good as I would just lick.
So that's it. Now we're going to go out onto the streets. So come follow us, okay? See ya.